हेलो भाई लोग। कैसे हैं आप लोग। आइए नवंबर 2025 का करंट अफेयर्स देखते हैं। यूनियन मिनिस्टर हरदीप सिंह पुरी हैज इंश्राइंड द blessed footsteps of Guru Gobind Singh and Mata Sahib Kaur Ji as sacred Jore Sahib at Takht Sri Harmandir Sahib in Patna. Sanjay Garg has been appointed as the Director General of the Bureau of Indian Standards. It was established in 1986 with its headquarters in New Delhi. India's ISRO launched country's heaviest communication satellite, weight 4400 kg, named CMS-03 from Sriharikota. Next slide. The Delhi government has launched the Pink Saheli Smart Card for free bus travel for women and transgender individuals. It will be important. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the rupees 1 lakh crore research development and innovation scheme during NSTIC 2025 at Bharat Mandapam. ये न्यू दिल्ली में है। OpenAI launched its first cultural benchmark INDQA to evaluate the understanding of AI models in Indian language and cultural context. IT IIT Madras has developed India's first vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft technology for controlled soft landing using hybrid rocket thruster. SBI has become the sixth Indian company and the first Indian bank to cross 100 billion market capitalization mark. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar was awarded the 2025 World Leader for Peace and Security Award for his outstanding contribution to peace and security. PM Modi launched India's first indigenous CAR T cell therapy NEXCAR19 for leukemia and lymphoma. Please note, PM Modi launched India's first indigenous CAR T cell therapy NEXCAR19 for leukemia and lymphoma. According to the Huron Indian Philanthropist List 2025, Rohini Nilekani has become India's most generous female philanthropist. Wait a second, I am going slide. Dr. Sai Gautam Gopalkrishnan has been awarded the Manohar Parikar Yuva Scientist Award 2025. Rahul V.S. from Chennai becomes India's 91 Grandmaster by winning the Asian Individual Chess Championship. National Cancer Awareness Day was observed on November 7. The theme will be United by Unique. The theme will be United by Unique. The BSF paramilitary force unveiled the Durga Drone Squadron, a drone operating unit comprising women personnel. Mansi Singh won women's single title at the Telangana International Badminton Challenge 2025. Chennai City Chennai City was awarded the Urban Mobility India 2025 award in the category of cities with the best public transport system. The Indian Armed Force successfully conducted Operation Trisul, the country's largest tri-service exercise in the Thar Desert of Rajasthan and Creek of Gujarat. Maharashtra state was chosen as the best state in the country for better water management and spreading awareness about water conservation at the 6th National Water Awards. The Tamil Nadu government announced India's first Women Wellness on Wheels WW initiative to provide mobile cancer screening service for women. What in exam it will be asked what will be the full form of WW launched by Tamil Nadu government, and the answer will be Wellness of Wheels, Women Wellness of on Wheels, WWW. R.C. Gupta, it is very important. R.C. Gupta became the first female racer in India to win the National Karting Championship title at the age of just 19 years. See, in just 19 years, the first female racer uh, became R.C. Gupta. It is very important. You can note that National Education Day is celebrated on November 11th in honor of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. IIT Bombay launched the country's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope. Anjana Badrinarayan was honored with the Infosys Prize 2025 in the life science categories for her pioneering contribution to understand the mechanism of genome maintenance and repair. India reopened the Neoma airfield located near the Chinese border in eastern Ladakh. World Pneumonia Day was observed 12th November 12th. Pneumonia Day and theme is child survival. Theme is child survival. Note that it is important. Palitana in Gujarat has become the world's first vegetarian city. Palitana, which is in Gujarat, became the world's first vegetarian city. It is very important. The 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was celebrated across India on 31/2025 as the National Unity Day, first observed in 2014 with great enthusiasm and grandeur. This year theme is Ek Bharat Atmanirbhar Bharat India. On November 7, 2025, grand national celebrations were held across India to mark the 150th anniversary of Vande Bharat. You know the Vande Bharat is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated year-long commemoration at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in Delhi and also released a commemorative postage stamp and coin on occasion. From November 7, 2025 to 7, 2026, a year-long nationwide celebration will be held across country to mark 150th anniversary of Vande Bharat. It was written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. See here it is written. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee on November 7, 1875 and was first published in literary journal Banga Darshan as part of its novel Anand Math. The Watershed Mahotsav 2025 was launched on November 11, 2025 in Gutur, Andhra Pradesh. Union Minister of Rural Development mm, A- and Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shivraj Singh Chauhan inaugurated the event. And what will be the objectives? To review the and ensure the success of new phase of the Pradhan Mantri Sinchai Yojana 2.0 in India. The 44th International Trade Fair 2025 has commenced on November 14th at Bharat Mandapam, Pragati Maidan in the national capital New Delhi and will continue until November 27, 25. And theme will be Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Theme will be Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. The World Bank has approved 280 million loan for Kerala Health System Improvement Project, in short KHSIP. Objectives to modernize the healthcare system and provide inclusive healthcare service to elderly and vulnerable citizens. Lucknow. Lucknow has been declared City of Gastronomy by UNESCO in October 2025 under its Creative Cities Network (UCCN), granting global recognition to its Audhic cuisine and rich culinary heritage. Remember, Lucknow is uh, granting global recognized which one? Awadhi cuisine and rich culinary heritage. It is the second Indian city to receive this designation after Hyderabad. Mm, Before it is a city of gastronomy in 2019 Hyderabad, and now it is Lucknow. According to Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 report, Madurai has been declared the driest city in India, receiving the lowest score 4823, followed by cities like Ludhiana, Chennai, Ranchi, Bangalore. It is conducted, sorry, yes, it is conducted the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. Punjab has become the first state in India to implement amended BharatNet scheme statewide. This achievement was accomplished in November 2025, ensuring high-speed broadband connectivity in rural areas. Parasocial was declared Cambridge Word of the Year. It is very important. Please note this. Parasocial was declared Cambridge Word of the Year 2025. It describes the one-sided emotional relationship that develops between people and celebrities or AI chatbot. Dictionary.com Dictionary.com declared 67 as its word of the year. This is also important. Dictionary.com declared 67 as its word of the year for 2025. November 1st, Chawang Kot Festival was celebrated in Manipur, a major harvest festival celebrated annually by the Kuki-Chin Mizo tribes to express gratitude to gods for good harvest. World Diabetes Days was observed on November 14th with its year theme being Diabetics Across Life Stages. World Diabetes Days will be for 14th November, remember, and theme will be Diabetes Across Life Stages. Kunchala Cavalier Reddy, of 17 years old from Nindadavale in Andhra Pradesh, East Godavari district, has been selected for a training program for 2025 to 29 space mission of Titan's space industry in the USA. The first film to be released in defense theater is 2120 Bahadur, directed by Farhan Akhtar, which is based on the Battle of Rejang La during the 1962 Indo-China War. The book Modi's Mission is authored by Burjis Desai, a renowned lawyer and writer who has written this book on life, thoughts, and working style of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. हाँ, sorry. The book was launched in Mumbai by the government of Maharashtra Acharya Devrat and Chief Minister Devendra Fernandez. Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel launched Reimagining Agriculture, a roadmap for frontier technology LED transformation in Gandhinagar to promote agri-tech innovation prepared by Niti Aayog's Frontier Tech Hub. India sent humanitarian aid to Jamaica and Cuba after Hurricane Melissa. Hurricane कहाँ होता है? West Indies. It is a cyclone which comes in West Indies, and cyclone name is and hurricane name is Melissa. Jyotirindra Scindia present the Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika National Award to six prominent personalities from Northeast. The Agriculture and Processed Food Export Development Authority dispatched the first consignment for fortified rice kernel from Chhattisgarh to Costa Rica. The Indian Navy will conduct the tri-service exercise Trisul with the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. This exercise will be conducted under the leadership of Indian Navy. The exercise area will be Rajasthan, Gujarat, Sarkik and the Arabian Sea. The marine fisheries census 2025 has gone completely digitalized. The household enumeration Vyas Bharat, Vyas Sutara apps were launched in Kochi, Kerala. This is a comprehensive census of approximately 1.2 million fishers households in 5,000 marine fishing villages and habitation across 13 coastal states and union territories. The Indian Navy will commission the survey vessel class ship INS Isak at the Kochi Naval Base. Maharashtra became the first state to partner with Starlink for satellite-based internet service. This is important. Sunil Kant Munjal, founder of the Serendipity Arts Foundation and chairman of Hero Enterprise, received the Chevalier d'Ordre National du Mérite Award from France. Kan- Kanchenjunga National Park was given as a good rating by National Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN, marking it the only natural uh, World Heritage Site in India to receive good rating. Union Minister Amit Shah will inaugurate C- COOP Kumbh 2025 in New Delhi. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated National Conference on strengthening the legal aid delivery mechanism at the Supreme Court, New Delhi. Pradeep Phosphates Limited, a private fertilizer manufacturing company, appointed Rahul David as its brand ambassador. Jyotiraj Scindia inaugurated Northeastern Science and Technology (NEST) cluster at IIT Guwahati, Assam. The first BIMSTEC India Marine Research Network BIMREN conference was held in Kochi to promote blue economic cooperation. The blue economic means growth in oceanic areas where corporation. The Telecommunication Engineering Center signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with IIT Bombay on telecommunication technology and standardization activities. The Conference of Indian industry hosted the Global Media and Entertainment Investor Meet in collaboration with Waves Bazaar at the 12th Annual Big Picture Summit in Mumbai on December 1 to 2. HAL signed an agreement with American company GE Aerospace to purchase 113 jet engine for Tejas fighter aircraft. Following the recommendation of the Public Enterprise Selection Board PESB, Deepak Gupta was selected as a new CMD of GAIL India Limited. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram laid foundation stone for Assam's first technical and vocational university, Swahid Karnataka Kanaklata Barua State University. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated project on Uttarakhand's Silver Jubilee. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurated 22nd Annual Conference of the Commonwealth Parliament uh, Association, India Region Zone 3 in Kohima, Nagaland. The US may deny visas to foreigners with health problems such as diabetes and obesity. US may deny visas to foreigners with health problems such as diabetes and obesity. It is important. Please remember, Gujarat became the first state to launch travel-focused genome sequencing project. It is important. Note that the country's first Vande Bharat train sleeper coach maintenance facility will be ready in Jodhpur, Rajasthan by mid 2026. The Bharat Sri Lanka Sanskrit Mahotsav was inaugurated at University of Colombo. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited (SECI) and the National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) signed the MoU for a clean and sustainable Delhi Saharanpur Dehradun highway. The Assam cabinet approved the Assam Prohibition of Polygamy Bill 2025 banning polygamy. BSF tracker Babita was awarded the National K9 Bravery Award 2025. Please remember BSF, it is very important. BSF tracker dog's name Babita was awarded the National K9 Bravery Award 2025. India and Bhutan signed an MoU on cooperation in renewable energy, healthcare, and pharmaceutical sector. Sahitya Academy presented the Bal Sahitya Puruskar 2025 on November 14. The Bal Sahitya Puruskar was instituted in 2010 and is awarded in 24 Indian languages. Remember, in 24 Indian language. The Rajasthan government will remove the two-child limit for Indian in local body election. Prahlad Joshi announced 100 crore scheme for biomass-based hydrogen pilot. Botswana Botswana will hand over 8 cheetahs to India under Project Cheetah. Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat inaugurated the 13th International Tourism Mart for the northeastern region in Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. The Council of Scientists and Industry Research has signed a memorandum of understanding with the National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation (NICDC) to leverage CSIR's research and development expertise and strengthen the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The Tata Power has signed an commercial agreement with Drunk Green Power Corporation to acquire 40% stake for 1,572 crore in the Special Purpose Vehicle (SPV) for Dorjilang Hydroelectric Project in Bhutan. President Draupadi Murmu presented 6th National Water Awards on November 18. Maharashtra was chosen as the best state in water conservation. President Draupadi Murmu, President Drau- One second. President Draupadi Murmu presented sixth national award on November 18. Maharashtra was the chosen as the best state in the conservation. Gujarat Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupen Patel inaugurated the Ahmedabad International Book Festival and Food for Thought Fest 2025. Minister of Defense signed an agreement worth 2095.70 rupees crore with Bharat Dynamic Limited (BDL) for Invar anti-tank missile. An Indian Air Force contingent arrived in France Mont-de-Marsan Air Base for 8th edition on the Garuda 2025 bilateral air exercise. The first regional anti-narcotics conference of the head of anti-narcotics task force of 8 northeastern states including West Bengal began in Chomau-Kedima, Nagaland. The Government of India granted GI tag to traditional Lepcha musical instrument named Tungbuk and Mamtong Pulit. Please remember Lepcha musical instrument Tungbuk and Pamtong Pulit in Sikkim. The Madrasa High Court in the Rukhti Kumari V.S. Janmai Labs Private Limited case recognized cryptocurrency as property under Indian law in October 2025. In the in its largest investment in India, Google will invest 15 billion between 26 to 30 to set up an AI data center in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This will be Google's largest facility outside the US. It is very important. Aprajit Sarangi was appointed as the chairperson of the Joint Parliamentary Committee to examine the 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill. The Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities under the Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment organized the Divya Kala Mela at Lucknow University, Uttar Pradesh. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan inaugurated Rotary Tejas Wings of Chang event in New Delhi. Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket launched two satellites for Mars and the booster successfully landed back on Earth. Telangana hosted the Telangana Northeast Connect Techno Culture Festival in two phases in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, important this is the Supreme Court directed Jharkhand government to declare Saranda Forest as a wildlife sanctuary. It is also important. Ambaji Marvel from Gujarat, a GI tag for his distinctive white stone. It is very important. Where you find GI tag, always note down in your notes. Ambaji Marvel from Gujarat. The Indian Navy launched its first Mahe class anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft on November 24, 2025. The Indian Army launched a pilot initiative for the recruitment of women into the Territorial Army. The Indian scientists discovered genetic switch inside the womb that trigger conception. Very important. In President Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan presented the Central Manorama Newsmaker Award 2024 in New Delhi. Mumbai Mumbai hosted 10th Global Economic Summit 6th World Expo on November 21-22. India hosted 3rd Chanakya Defense Dialogue 2025 in Delhi on November 27-28. India's labor force participation rate reached a 6-month high of 55.4% in November. The 8th India-UK Ajaya Warrior joint military exercise was held in Bikaner, Rajasthan. The first Nagaland Cooperative Conclave 2025 was inaugurated in Kohima to promote the cooperative movement in Nagaland state. The government of e-Jagriti portal resolved over 1 to 7,000 consumer grievances. Union Minister of Coal Mines Sri G. Kishan Reddy inaugurated Coal India Limited Pavilion at the Indian International Trade Fair 2025. Goa Police Goa Police it is one second. Goa Police became the first police force in India to achieve 100% cyber fraud response rate. It is very important. Goa Police became the first police force in India to achieve 100% cyber fraud response rate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the South Indian Natural Farming Summit in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The Telangana government launched Mi Seva on WhatsApp to provide citizens with access to government services. Mi Seva is an advanced interactive AI powered platform. The 16th Finance Commission submitted its report for 26-27 to 2030-31 President Draupadi Murmu. The, the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying MOFAHD announced the prestigious National Gopal Ratna Award 2025. The award ceremony was held on November 26, Dr. Virgis Kurian's birth anniversary during the National Milk Day celebration. JDU Chief Minister Nitish Kumar took oath as the Chief Minister of Bihar for 10th time on November 20. Please remember, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar took a oath as a Chief Minister 10th time. This is very important. He took 10th time as a Chief Minister oath. Indian Post opened first Gen Z themed post office at IIT Delhi. World Fisheries Days 2025 was celebrated on November 2021. The Institution of Aerospace Medicine in Bengaluru hosted 64th annual conference of the Indian Society of Aerospace Medicine. India's first bullet train will cover a distance of 100 km between Surat and Vapi 2027. It's very important. India's first bullet train will cover a distance of 100 km between Surat and Vapi in 2027. PM Modi PM Modi released 21st PM Kisan installation in Coimbatore. Kisan PM Kisan installment in Coimbatore. Mukhi, a cheetah born in India, gave birth to 5 cubs at Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. The 6th National Agronomy Congress was held in New Delhi from November 24 to 26. Minister Dr. L. Murugan inaugurated the Waves Film Bazaar in 2025 in Panji. India won the final of the World Boxing Women's Cup. India hosted second Regional Open Digital Summit Rhodes 2025. Actress Kirti Suresh was appointed as the UNICEF India Celebrity Advocate to support children's rights. It is very important. Actress Kirti Suresh was appointed as a UNICEF India Celebrity Advocate to support children's rights. India recently dropped 13 ranks to 23 place in the Climate Change Performance Index. Very important also. This report was released by German Watch at the ongoing United Nations Climate Conference COP30 in Brazil. The Government of India implemented four new labor codes: Codes on Wages 2019, Industrial Relation Code 2020, Code on Social Security 2020, and Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Codes 2020. DRDO and DGA of France signed a technical agreement to deepen cooperation in defense R&D. The The Global Methane Status Report is jointly prepared by the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) and the Climate and Clean Air Conditions (CCAC). India is the world's third largest methane emitter after China and USA. IIT Bombay and the Department of Higher Education hosted the National Wellbeing Conclave 2025. The Indian Institute of Creative Technology (IICT) signed an MoU for Indian Australia creative collaboration at the International Film Festival of India. Michael Bachelet received the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize. Justice Surya Kant took oath 53 Chief Justice of India November 24. India celebrated its 76th Constitution Day on November 26. PM Modi inaugurated Skyroot's Infinity Campus and unveiled the Vikram 1 orbital rocket, the first private orbital rocket on November 27. India sent its team to World Skill Asia 2025 in Taipei, Taiwan for the first time. India secured 8th position among 29 countries. India won 1 silver, 2 bronze, 3 excellence medals. Mathura Jari Posak and Mirad Bugal received GI tag. GI tag always important for your exam. The Central Board of Director Taxes CBDT launches the NEWS campaign objectives to facilitate accurate reporting of scheduled forest asset and foreign source of income in income tax return. Andhra Pradesh will launch Smart City Card for 1.4 crore families by June 26. C. Dot Center of Development of Telematics signed an MoU with IIT Roorkee, IITR. IIT Kharagpur launched the impact of RISE full form all. This is very important. It will be asked RISE full form: Research, Innovation, Skilling, Entrepreneurship Initiative for Societal Transformation. The government approved the Tax RMPS Research and Innovation Scheme to promote innovation research, data-driven policy making, and competitiveness in the textile sector. This scheme will be implemented from 25-26 to 30-31 with the total budget of 305 crore. India signed a 7,900 crore deal with US for MS-60R Navy helicopter support. India secured the third position in the Asia Power Index 2025. This index was released by Lowly Institute of Australia, and India entered the top three power categories for the first time. India will host the World Athletics Continental Tour Silver Level Meet in Bhubaneswar in 2026. India has become the world's top milk producer, following a recommendation from Niti Aayog. Mizoram is formally declared India's Ginger capital. India's Ginger capital will be Mizoram. Mizoram. The United Kingdom has been designated as the partner country for the Hornbill Festival 2025 to be held in Nagaland. Air India Express was also declared the official travel partner. The blueprint for India's first quantum city was unveiled by Karnataka. Punjab has launched India's first state level dedicated courtroom for cases related to the scheduled caste communities. Arunachal Pradesh traditional Dao blade received a GI tag. Here also come GI tag. Dao blade Arunachal Pradesh. Dao blade Arunachal Pradesh. C. Dot sign an MOU with Andhra Pradesh for participation in the Amravati Quantum Valley in initiative. Karnataka became the first state in the country to approve a paid menstrual leave policy for all women employees in the government and private sector. Is very important according to your examination. Karnataka became the first state in the country to approve a paid menstrual leave policy for women. NCRT signed an agreement with IIT Madras to strengthen educational research and technology integration. Aurangzeb, Aurangabad railway station in Maharashtra was renamed Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Stampede occurred at the Venkateswar Swami temple in Khas, Kasibunga, Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh during Kartik Ekadasi on November 1, 2025, resulting in the death of 9 to 10 devotees and several injuries. The 600-year-old Venkatesh temple in Kasibunga is from Vijayanagar period and is known as Tirupati of the East. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin of rupees 150 and a postage stamp on the occasion of 115th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Kewadia, Ekta Nagar in Gujarat. Ursula von der Leyen, President of European Commission, and Antonio Costa, President of European Council, have been invited as chief guests for India's Republic Day 2026. India became world's sixth largest patent filter with over 64,000 patent applications. The 30th CII Partnership Summit 2025 was held on November 14, 15, 2025 in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh and was inaugurated by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan. The Bali Jatra festival was held in Cuttack, Odisha between November 5th and 13th. Sushil Shukla has become has been awarded the Indian Language Bal Sahitya Award 2025 for his book Ek Batte Bara. It is very important. Ek Batte Bara is written by Sushil Shukli and awarded Bal Sahitya Award. Okay. Yes. This is last one. Yes. Here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first global aircraft engine MRO Saffron Aircraft Engine Service India facility in Hyderabad. Next video will be for October. Please, I will come. Bye.